I'm extremely humbled for the participation of today's Economic Baraza initiated by Mitindo Network and in partnership with other organizations, and specifically on the address of having property rights, people being well informed by them and taking into action development of small business initiatives. Most especially, like, people have gotten to understand the important property rights, which include: 1, you have a right to use that property; 2, you have a right to earn income from that property; 3, you have a right to transfer that property from you to another person, and as well to defend that property in case it is being taken from you, and putting into consideration or having respect to the international and domestic laws. That is Article 17 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and as well Article 26 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda 1995 as amended, also putting into consideration the issue of compensation in case of compulsory acquisition of land for public interest by government. So people have gotten to understand that, and I appreciate the cooperation and the waiting our masses have established, that they really appreciate knowing this and wish and appreciate taking it into action. So people are so much hungry to share about such information, and as well pass information of the necessity of documenting or having legal documents for proof of ownership of a certain property. Let it be land, let it be any property coming from a mind creation, that's intellectual property. So there was a lot, and I feel they need more, but it's good that our public is in need of this and is cooperative to have this put in place. I noticed so much within family issues, like when it comes to matrimonial property or handling businesses as a family, which kind of person, what share the person owns, what happens to a wife of a certain husband who has been doing everything at home, taking care of the children, feeding the husband, but what comes to such a person, what do they gain in case they are to divorce? When it comes to issues of distribution of matrimonial property, all those questions were so key. And the most disturbing question, or the most disturbing issues of people in public, is the issue when it comes setting up a business with people they are married to, and this business is not incorporated together with these people. So if it is a company, you find this person is a shareholder, but they don't have any kind of recognizance legally in that kind of company, partnership, or any other business. So it means in the end, by the time they discover, like women here setting it as an issue, that their husbands normally take over all this property, and in fact use the same property to marry other wives. So there is a question, there is need for attaining marriage certificates, there is need for documenting, having land titles, there is need for documenting agreements in a proper way.